For today's writing lesson, we're going to focus on writing an acrostic poem and learning a little bit about acrostic poetry. An acrostic poem is a poem that uses the first letter, or rather the letters of a word, to guide a poem where each word starts with that letter. For example, if we were using the word cat, we might say cunning. Let's see here. Active and tame. I've used each letter in the word cat to describe my cat. He's cunning, active, and tame. Now we're going to use our acrostic poems to write something special. Mother's Day is coming up soon, and we're going to use our acrostic poem to make a poem about your mother for Mother's Day, and then to guide you in a bit of writing that will follow that up. So for an example, I'm going to use, I'll go ahead and use my mother's name. Her name is Linda. L-I-N-D-A. I'm going to leave a space between each letter, and now I'm ready to begin. Now, I need to think of adjectives. Remember, adjectives are describing words, because these words are going to describe the person we're writing about. So to begin with, I'll go with L. I'll go with lovely. For I, I'll choose invincible. For N, how about noteworthy? For D, daring. And for A, well, how about awesome? Now I have an acrostic poem that describes my mother, Linda. Now, your acrostic poem can go on the cover of a card. So if you're making a card, this would be the front of the card, the first thing that Mom would see. When your mom opens her card, you're going to write a message that tells your mom why they're lovely, invincible, noteworthy, daring, or awesome in my case, or in your case it will be something different. But it would look a little bit something like this. Dear Mom, you are lovely because you always have such nice things to say and do. You are invincible because you always try your hardest. And so on. The key word here is that you're using those words from the acrostic poem in your letter, and also using this word because. Oops, let's see where to go. There we go. To explain why that adjective describes them. When you're done, you'll have a nice letter. And again, I would recommend putting your acrostic poem on the cover and your letter on the inside of that letter. Decorate your letter. Go ahead and take a picture of that and share it with your teacher. And then save that letter till the end of the week, until Mother's Day, and you'll have a special surprise to share. Have fun with this. Let us know if you have questions, and good luck with your work.